quiet, please. Hello, everyone.
Wait. I know that guy who's playing. Is that Lewids? I'm sorry, sir. Are you the famous Lewids?
Yes,
Oh my god!
it's me.
It's really him!
Hello, everyone.
Oh,
This is...
play us some tunes.
I call this piece improvisation based on Lullaby by Billy Joel.
Is it Billy Joe the football player?
Billy Joel, the football player?
Yeah, the one who plays with the ball in his feet.
I don't...
Football.
Billy Joel? I only know Billy Joel, the singer. I'm sorry. So...
He's
if
very,
it's the
he's
same
very
one, then
famous
yes.
in where I came from.
We like ninths here. To the octave. Thank you.
Oh my god. OMG. Who's that guy? He's so cool.
Who's that guy? So cool.
I realize I don't even mean to do it anymore.
Who's that guy?
Oh, well, hi everybody. As you all had a very warm welcome from Virginia, I'm getting rude symbols, rude hand gestures from Joao.
Move that thing immediately, right now! Everything's wrong!
We had a lovely message from Lynn, and unfortunately she's already gone. So, we have to see her next week.
Oh.
Is,
TTYN.
Do you want to start with music or?
So let's start with music. Yeah. We have some really... Sorry, guys, I'm a little bit... We have some really lovely songs. Hey, thank you for joining us. Yes, please.
Thee. Hallo meneer. Wilt u thee?
Hallo, meneer.
Remember, if you guys have any requests, let us know in the comments. Otherwise... Yo, did all of you see? We had 625 views on our concert last night. Last night. Last week. So, I'm very happy about that.
Preparations are being made.
Ridiculous.
Anything is art if you want it to be.
This is also true. Yeah.
Here's your tea, sir.
Thank you. Oh. Obrigado. We're gonna start off with a beautiful little Spanish song by Shakira.
Oh, I know that girl.
You know her?
Yeah.
Personally.
I wish. It's like every
high school boy.
Not
dream
not
might-
every high school.
Okay, sorry.
boy.
Sorry.
Every
Every-
straight white male high
Wait.
boy.
Girls also. I mean,
Ah.
lesbian girls.
Very good.
So every
Girls exist too, Benjamin. Every people who are interested in heroes for once.
Travels has a nice haircut, which you all will see later. Para amarte necesito una razón y es difícil creer que no existe una más que este amor. Sobra tanto dentro de este corazón que a pesar de que dicen que los años son sabios, todavía se siente el dolor. Porque todo el tiempo que pasé junto a ti dejo tejido y silo dentro de mí y aprendí a quitarle el tiempo, los segundos. Tú me hiciste ver el cielo más profundo. Junto a ti creo que aumenté más de 3 kilos con tus tantos dulces besos repartidos. Desarrollaste mi sentido del olfato y fue por ti que aprendí a querer los gatos. Despegaste del cemento mis zapatos para escapar los dos volando un rato. Pero olvidaste una final instrucción, porque yo no sé cómo vivir sin tu amor. Y descubrí lo que significa una rosa y me enseñaste a decir mentiras piadosas para poder verte a horas no adecuadas y a reemplazar palabras por palabras. Y fue por ti que escribí más de 100 canciones y hasta perdoné tus equivocaciones y conocí más de 1000 formas de besar. Y fue por ti que descubrir lo que es amar, lo que es amar, lo que es amar, lo que es amar. The Spanish one.
The other girl?
Sorry.
The other girl.
Whistle, 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 whistle.
Yeah.
Whistle, whistle, whistle.
Sorry, guys. This was supposed to be a very smooth transition, and
It's
it absolutely
still being
it didn't.
smooth.
It didn't. And now the internet's gone, so it's not loading the page.
No. Is it?
Have you got the internet?
If I have it? Yeah. I bought it. The internet is
Oh
mine.
no, the internet's really gone.
Mine's working. Mine's working. I guess really slow, but yeah, it's gone. No.
Just in case I'm starting to record this.
Oh, I thought you recorded all of them.
Of course I don't.
What do you mean? Of course you don't. I thought you did.
What do you mean, of course you don't? What?
Why should
What was you talking about, Charlie?
Why should I record it?
I am not that British.
What was you?
Okay.
What was you saying?
Why should I record it?
What? What do you mean?
What do you
What does what mean?
Okay. Well, this was probably the least smooth transition we've had on the show.
I think we can do worse than this.
Ah, by the way,
I'm quite sure we can do worse than this.
sueño cuando era pequeño sin preocupación en mi corazón. Sigo viendo que al momento se desvaneció, desapareció. Ya no te creo, ya no te deseo. Oh, yes. Solo te dejo, solo te deseo. Oh. Mira, Sofía, sin tu mirada sigo sin tu mirada. Dime, Sofía, cómo te mira, dime cómo te mira. Sé que no, sé que no, sé que solo, sé que ya no soy hoy, hoy, hoy. Mira, Sofía, sin tu mirada sigo sin tu mirada, Sofía. Dices que éramos felices, todo ya pasó, todo ya pasó. Sé que te corté las alas, él te hizo volar, él te hizo soñar. Ya no te creo, ya no te deseo. Oh, solo te dejo, solo te deseo. Oh. Mira, Sofía, sin tu mirada sigo sin tu mirada. Dime, Sofía, cómo te mira, dime cómo te mira. Sé que no, sé que no, sé que solo, sé que ya no soy hoy, hoy, hoy. Mira, Sofía, sin tu mirada sigo sin tu mirada, Sofía. ¿Y por qué no me dices la verdad? Mira, Sofía, sin tu mirada sigo sin tu mirada. nothing special, in fact, I'm a bit of a bore. If I tell a joke, you've probably heard it before. But I have a talent, a wonderful thing, 'cause everyone listens when I start to sing. I'm so grateful and proud. All I want is to sing it out loud. So I say thank you for the music, the songs I'm singing. Thanks for all the joy they're bringing. Who can live without it? I ask in all honesty. What would life be without a song or dance? What are we? So I say thank you for the music, for giving it to me.
Mamma zei dat ik danste voordat ik liep. Aprendi a cantar antes de aprender a falar. But I often wondered, where did it all start? Who found out that nothing can capture a heart like a melody can? Well, whoever it was, I'm a fan. So I say thank you for the music, the songs I'm singing. Thanks for all the joy it's bringing. Who can live without it? I ask in all honesty. What would life be without a song or dance? What are we? So I say thank you for the music, for giving it to me. I've been so lucky, I am the girl with golden hair. I want to sing it out to everybody. What a joy, what a life, what a chance. Thank you for the music, the songs I'm singing. Thanks for all the joy they're bringing. Who can live without it? I ask in all honesty. What would life be without a song or dance? What are we? So I say thank you for the music, for giving it to me. So I say thank you for the music, for giving it to
Sneezing.
Oh,
Almost.
I was really like, is Hitter okay?
He's crying so much.
I was like, this isn't even one of the emotional ones. We have so many sad ones today.
TTYN. Had to sneeze, soz.
Which song? Which song?
What song's name in the comment?
Uh,
Sophia
Sofia, thank you for the music, and
And the first one?
Antologia by Shakira.
Yeah.
Hola, Pedro.
Martineo Pound.
You know what? Never mind.
Corona!
So much Corona.
Oh my god! He's spreading it!
Anyway, hello everybody. Thank you for joining. There's 11 people watching, and there's only 10 likes, and I know at least 2 of those likes are me.
13 in my...
Oh, you have 13 people watching or likes?
No, 13 people
Remember
watching.
when you could sneeze in public and it not be a big deal? Hit a clack of
Those were the
remembers.
days.
Oh, it feels such a
amazing.
long time ago.
Yeah.
No, it really does, doesn't it? Yeah.
I'm just thinking about it. Because I know Gonçalo from my choir. He used to sneeze like...
Nice.
So can you imagine this in Corona times?
I'm just vamping.
Oh, okay. Vaping? What is it now? Because I wanted to show people the new stuff. Is it the time now? To show stuff? Okay, people, are you ready for this? We have 3 new pieces of equipment. Woohoo! Woohoo! Thank you very much for your donations. There's still. Do we have anyone who subscribed to Petchef? Yeah?
My mum, I bet.
Oh, nice. Thank you.
Thanks, mum.
Thank you, Hidda's mum.
Mrs.
Elma.
Elma. ja.
Elma.
Mevrouw de mama van Hidde. Bedankt. Heel erg bedankt.
Bedankt, Helma. Yeah,
Yeah.
we have to say thank you to them. That's part of it. And on the video. You're the one who wrote the thing, so. So, all of you who don't subscribe to PetChef still, go there and subscribe right now. Give us money, donations. Because right now we have like 90% of the equipment we wanted to buy. So today we have a new mic. The
Presented
Shure,
by Hidda.
the Shure 5.7 whatever.
Like in the
And we have a new
American
camera.
TV shows when they're like, and the lovely Haley is presenting the card
Oh, yeah.
you've won.
Oh, yeah.
So it's like the lovely Hidda.
And here on the right we have lovely Heda presenting the microphone.
Why is it an airline pilot?
If you have any questions,
Yeah.
if you want some,
Please,
want some drinks or snacks, you can ask Hidde in the aisle. Don't
So
hesitate
right
to
now
ask
we
her
are-
immediately.
Right now we are flying over 12,000 feet high, and on your left you can see Paris. That's the Cité de la Lumière. We thank you very much for being in the for flying with Living Room Concerts.
Anyway, so we have
again.
new equipment
Oh,
tonight,
yeah.
and it's
Oh.
really exciting.
And
We have this microphone. It's super awesome. This one was 450 euros.
oh my lord, that's enough to have dinner for like
At
3
least 2
2
days.
months.
At least 2 days.
That's enough to buy me dinner for 2 months.
And we also have, but Joao, I'm not sure how we're going to show it.
What? Oh, I can show it with my computer.
Yeah, go for it.
Just a second.
Because I need to grab something else as well. Homoerotic jokes are fine on Facebook, right?
Benjamin? Yeah, well, why not? Did you ask my consent?
Check this out. Is it okay if I grab you?
Yes, it is. Thank you for asking.
the new camera. This is the new camera. And here on the left, on the right, we have lovely Hida presenting the new camera. Look at that moves. Oh, those, oh my god. Such a lovely camera. Yeah, and you can tilt it and move it right and left. Oh my god. He has no idea what he's doing. Let's hope it doesn't break anything. Thank you, Hida, for your whatever it is you did there. Arigato. Namaste.
Talking of Japanese,
Arigato.
We have another song for the three of us to sing together.
Yeah, well, it have to clear it a little bit.
Sure.
Was it that loud?
It was quite resonant.
Okay.
Like you chest voice. You know?
Yeah.
Like,
Just clearing the pipes.
Joao, are you joining us again?
If you want.
Because we're doing Japanese now.
Danke, Elma. Did you write that?
Yeah,
That's cute.
because she said you're welcome in the comments, and I
Oh.
thought that was very cute.
That's nice.
Oh, the internet's gone again.
Oh
Yeah.
no.
I'm recording it, so.
This is poo poo.
Poo poo.
We just check something real fast. Is it all of that? Is it from?
It's. I've got it. Huh?
Are we doing all of that?
No. Just the last bit.
Oh, just a second. Sorry. Just checking. Mic. Because my mic is
Hello. My mic was a bit too loud on that one, but it's fixed. Once upon a time,
Okay,
there
let's
were
not do that.
three
Anyway.
lovely boys. They used to sing together in those concerts called
I want to
living
do
room
that one.
concerts.
Nature Boy.
Okay.
Let's do this.
Mhm. Meneer Benjamin? What is that? Is it the
Sutekidane,
tweede-
Final Fantasy.
tweede part?
Yeah.
Look at me speaking Dutch. Oh my god.
Kaze ga yoseta kotoba ni oyoida kokoro kumo ga hakobashita ni Futari te odori arike Thank you, boys.
Cute.
Süteki danne.
Zinho?
Exactly.
Sütiki danne zinho.
That's a really gorgeous. Yeah, it's a really gorgeous Japanese song from Final Fantasy, which we do quite a lot here. If you guys have any requests, let us know in the comments. I mean, I know that's how it always is.
People are very quiet.
People are really quiet today. Please, could everybody just write something in the chat, even if it's just say how gorgeous Hitter's jumper looks,
Right?
how gorgeous my
Tigers
beard
are
looks, or how gorgeous Ralph's
I
haircut
just
is.
typed something.
Thanks, Joao. Every bit helps. Every
nice.
impulse helps. I
Very
guess.
true. Yeah, no, it really does.
Algorithm-wise, algorithmically.
Yeah, there's another funny thing. We already have like 620 something views on last week's
Joao
video.
is going to tell a joke again.
Oh no.
But your face is the joke.
Aww.
No, wait, let me finish. We have
Can't do this
like
one yet
oh, why not?
because of Pass Notes 4 isn't watching.
So we have 620 something views on last week's video, but we only have 0 comments. What the hell?
Wow, not so aggressive.
What the age? What the age? What the hecking heck? What?
Who's Ana Silva? Who is Ana Silva?
Your wife? I don't know.
Ana
What?
Silva.
Yeah.
Bro, what the hell?
Anna Silva.
Take me to the church.
Take me to
Osier,
church.
please.
Take me to church. Ozier, please. Ozier.
What? Am I the only one completely lost here?
I'm sure that. Well, Pedro asked me to do this last week.
Oh,
you're
is
do-
it that one?
Yeah, I mean, you have
Oh, cool.
it in the holster, right?
Thank you, boys. I'll do 2 songs now.
Okay.
Y'all can stay and sing.
I'm going to sing 2 songs.
Well, I didn't know how was a nice way to say.
I had a nice interaction with a Japanese lady this week. We had a meeting, and the meeting was finished, and she said, "Well, I'm going to send an email now."
Oh,
I figured that must mean that my presence is no longer
Required.
wished for. Yeah. All right. Well, that means
well, I guess I'm gone.
have fun with your song, Benjamin.
Thank you. Yeah,
Maybe see
have
you
fun.
later.
Have fun with that email. Enjoy my fun.
Enjoy your fun. Okay. The water's white.
I haven't done this one before, so I hope this isn't the right key. My lover's got humor. He's a giggle at a funeral. Knows everybody's disapproval. I should have worshipped him sooner. If the heavens ever did speak, she's the last true mouthpiece. Every Sunday's getting more bleak. Fresh poison each week. We were born sick, you heard them say. My church offers no absolutes. It tells me, I know. My church offers no absolutes. It tells me worship in the bedroom. The only heaven I'll be sent to is when I'm alone with you. I was born sick, but I love it. Command me to be well. Amen. Amen. Take me to church. I'll worship like a dog at the shrine of your lies. I'll sharpen your knife. Offer me that deathless death. A good God, let me give you my life. Take me to church, I'll worship like a dog at the shrine of your lies. I'll tell you your sins and you can sharpen your knife. Offer me that deathless death. A good God, let me give you my life. If I'm a pagan of the good times, my love is a sunlight to keep the God on my side. Here to mount to sacrifice, drain the whole sea, get something shiny, something meaty for the main course. That's a fine looking high horse. What you got in the stable? We've a lot of stuff and faithful. That looks tasty, that looks plenty. This is hungry work. Take me to church, I'll worship like a dog at the shrine of your lies. I'll tell you my sins so you can sharpen your knife. Offer me that deathless death. A good God, let me give you my life. Take me to church, I'll worship like a dog at the shrine of your lies. I'll tell you my sins so you can sharpen your knife. Offer me that deathless death. Good God, let me give you my life. Take me to church, I'll worship like a dog at the shrine of your lies. I'll tell you my sins so you can sharpen your knife. Offer me that deathless death. A good God, let me tell you my life. Take me to church, the shrine of your lies. I'll tell you my sins so you can sharpen your knife. Offer me that deathless death. A good God, let me give you my life. Lembaran foto hitam putih. Aku coba ingat lagi warna bajumu kala itu, kali pertama hidupku manusia lain memelukku. Lembaran foto hitam putih. Aku coba ingat lagi wangi rumah di sore itu, kue coklat balon warna-warni, pesta hari ulang tahunku. Oh, love is handsome and love is kind, and love's a jewel when it's first new, but love grows cold and waxes cold and fades away like morning dew. The water is wide, I can't cross over, and neither have I wings to fly. Give me a boat that can carry two, and both shall cross, my love and
Very creepy. Smart pun. When you were here before, couldn't look you in the eye. You're just like an angel. Your skin makes me cry. You float like a feather in a beautiful world. I wish I was special. You're so fucking special. But I'm a creep.
perfect body. I want a perfect soul. I want you to notice when I'm not around. You're so fucking special. I wish I was special, but I'm a creep. I'm a weirdo. What the hell am I doing here? I don't belong here. Oh, she's running out the door. She's running out. She whatever makes you happy, whatever you want. You're so fucking special. I wish I was special, but I'm a creep. I'm a weirdo. What the hell am I doing here? I don't belong here. I don't belong here.
Nice one, Jorginho.
Portuguese French. I guess Anna Silva is from Essence Voices as well. Do you know her?
No, I don't know.
Maybe a friend of Pedro.
What?
A special friend.
A special friend.
Yeah.
Pedro, is this your special friend? Please get back to us in the comments.
Yeah. Let us know. Let us know, Pedro.
We are very
Maybe
interested.
other people could tell us whether or not it's Pedro's.
Other
special
people
friend.
watching, please say what you think about Ana and Pedro. Is it?
That looks promising.
Yeah, I think so.
Yeah.
I would vote for them.
Or maybe this was the push that they need to actually define their
Oh.
relationship. Maybe we are matchmakers.
Oh my god!
Yeah,
That's
yeah.
our next level thing now.
Just friend with it.
Pedro.
That's nice.
Just friend with a till.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, Anna and Pedro, because you met in our program, you now have to name your first child João e Benjamin.
All together.
Yeah. Or e Benjamin, as you prefer. Benjamin, as you prefer. Something like that. Let us know. Send us a card. We are such matchmakers.
Oh my god.
So if you, yeah, good luck, Pedro. He's saying he's going to kick my ass.
Kick your ass.
No, because I will run and call my mom.
Yeah. Why do you want to kick Joao's ass? He's helping you.
Yeah.
I mean,
Just yeah. Or I don't. Yeah.
a thing you need to know here at Benjamin Jago Larham Friday night performances, living room concerts, we love love. And that's just the most important thing for us. So when there's ever an opportunity to create some love, to make love bloom like the beautiful thing it is. Well, we grab that opportunity with both hands, with all 6 of our hands. What's he writing? Something nice, I guess.
I was writing this.
Oh, okay. Yeah, yeah. We love love.
Yes, we do. Next on our love program, we have a very special song for the new united couple.
Can we do a love song with the 3 of us?
Maybe later.
Yeah. Okay.
See how fast everything happens here. We just have an idea and then we just make it. Make your dreams come true.
Last week my sister requested this one, so this is for Beth.
We love Beth.
We do. I must give the impression that I have the answers for everything. You were so disappointed to see me unravel so it's only change, only everything I know. Even the things that seem still are still changing. Mother misses her baby, but I only wanted to be me. She changed address and haircuts, and boyfriends and light bulbs. It's easy, but it's only change, only everything I know. Even the things that seem still are still I stay focused on details. It helps me from feeling the big things. But watch the microscope long enough. Things that seem still are still changing. Yeah. there's a very special birthday boy who is watching at the minute. So, before we go into the next song, please, will everybody join me, including Jarl Tway, Tway, in singing Happy Birthday to Poi.
Wait, do you already
People
know?
don't know who Poi is.
Alright, well, we know.
So we know who Poi is. If y'all can work it out,
Just-
you get to donate 5 extra euros.
And I'm the one bullying people. Jesus.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear boy. Happy birthday to you. Lang zal die leven, lang zal die leven, lang zal die leven in de gloria, in de gloria, in de gloria. Happy
Happy birthday, Poi.
X.
Let's do modulation and tone up.
Oh my god.
Is that a joke?
Well, let's see if you can sustain it. That's the thing.
It's not enough.
Oh, I thought, dude, that was a top C. I was like, oh, it's so
my God.
happy. We have to sing Happy Birthday.
Top C's for Poi.
Absolutely.
Oh yeah. You
Top
deserve it.
Top C's for Poi. Anyway,
That could
there's
be our group name. The Top C's,
Top C's for
Poi.
Poi.
Yeah.
Oh my god, let's not do that.
Oh, it came up organically.
Earth the Kid.
Let's not do that.
Yeah.
And
Something happening now?
our very own special John Barnett, all the way from Oakington,
Oh my god.
has sent a beautiful song
Oh, nice.
as a birthday present for Poi.
Is it for us?
No.
Oh. Okay, I'll go. Have your song.
Right key. When you're down and troubled and you need a helping hand and nothing, oh nothing is going right. Close your eyes and think of me, and soon I will be there to brighten up even the darkest night. You just call out my name, and you know wherever I am, I'll come running to see you smiling again. Winter, spring, summer, or fall, all you gotta do is call, and I'll be there. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Boy's got a friend. just call out my name, and I know wherever I am, I'll come running to see you smiling again. Winter, spring, summer, or fall, all you gotta do is call and I'll be there. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Hey, ain't it good to know that you got a friend? People can be so cold. They'll hurt you and desert you. They'll take your soul if you let them. But don't you let them. You just call. You just call out my name, and you know wherever I am, I'll come running to see you smiling again. Oh, winter, spring, summer, or fall, all you gotta do is call and I'll be there. Yeah, yeah, yeah. You got a friend and I'll be there. Yeah, yeah, yeah. You got a friend. Happy birthday, boy. Lots of love from John Barnett.
Only he gave him the answer.
That's just very cute. So now everybody know who Poi is. Grandma is sad. And while JB is there, ken jij Tears in Heaven? Zou je die willen zingen?
Yeah, maybe. Yeah.
So this is another one for all of the
Eric
people.
Clapton, yeah.
Yeah. All of the people watching in Cambridge. Are we singing the three of us?
I don't know.
Yeah, I mean, we can see if we can wing it. It's a serious one.
I don't know the bridge, but
I can
just
sing the bridge if you want.
If you want me, if you don't. Yeah, let's have Jorginho's. on-
Yeah, of
on
course.
harmonies, on
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Of course.
I like this song.
Can I just say the lovely message Poi sent us? Because was it your birthday, right? That I said, well, it's bad luck to sing before the date. And Poi sent us a message thanking for the happy birthday, and he said, thought it was bad luck beforehand though. I said no, because it's your culture, so we respect your culture. And he thought it would be nice. In Portugal, it's kind of bad luck to sing happy birthday before the time. They say, the specialists.
The specialists. Yeah. The old wise men.
They are the wise men. The ancients. No, the old ones.
The wise.
Is it wise?
The wise ones.
Because we have a nice name for it. It's the ancients.
The sages.
The sages, right? Yeah. It used to be the wisest man in the tribe. The old one, like 25 years old.
How are we doing it?
I don't know. You're the boss.
We're just starting and the rest will join in.
Okay.
I saw you in heaven,
If I saw you in heaven,
would you help me stand? If I saw you in heaven,
I'll find my way through night and day, 'cause I know I just can't stay here in hell. Time can bring you down, time can bend your knees. Time can break your heart, have you begging please, begging please. What do you know my name? If I saw you in heaven, would it be the same? If I saw you in heaven, beyond the door, this peace assured, and I know there'll be no more tears in heaven. I must be strong and carry on, 'cause I know I don't belong here in heaven. Who can say where the road goes, where the day flows? Only time. And who can say if your love grows as your heart chose? Only time. Who can say why your heart sighs as your love flies? Only time. And who can say why your heart cries when your love dies? Only time. Idade, 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 idade.
eyes whisper, and I want to sing along. Your features are in tune. Let's sing together and turn every month to June. Your face hums, makes me a happy fella. No more singing a cappella, no longer lonely. Loving you only. Your lips with mine will lie, and when they touch me, it's a symphony divine. Your cheeks, your ears, your hair, weave me a melody so rare. Your face hums, makes me a happy fella. No more singing a cappella, no longer lonely. Loving you only. Your face is like a song. Your sweet eyes whisper, and I want to sing along. Your features are in tune. Let's sing together and turn every month to June. Your face hums, makes me a happy fella. No more singing a cappella, no longer lonely. Loving you only. Loving you Your face hums, makes me a happy fella. No more singing a cappella, no longer lonely. Loving you
Next one.
These songs are dedicated to two very special people.
They just met in the chat.
I think they're watching now. They met recently. They say they're friends, but
With the deal.
yeah, who knows?
All those.
Who knows what tonight might bring? Who knows what might bloom tonight? If you're listening, you know who you are. This is for you.
Love FM.
Dreaming, I must be dreaming, or am I really lying here with you? Baby, you take me in your arms, and though I'm wide awake, I know my dream is coming true. And oh, I just fall in love again. Just one touch and then it happens every time. And there I go. I just fall in love again. And when I do, I can't help myself. I fall in love with you.
Magic, it must be magic. The way I hold you and the night just seems to fly.
When I hold you.
Easy for you to take me to a star. Heaven is that moment when I look into your eyes. Oh, I just fall in love again. Just one touch and then it happens every time. And there I go. I just fall in love again. When I do, I can't help myself. I fall in love with you.
Dreaming, I must be dreaming, or am I really lying here with you? Baby, you take me in your arms, and though I'm wide awake, I know my dream is coming true. And oh, I just fall in love again. Just one touch and then it happens every time. And then I go, I just fall in love again. And when I do, I can't help myself. I fall in love with you.
Magic, it must be magic. The way I hold you and the night just seems to fly. When I hold you. Easy for you to take me to a star. Heaven is that moment when I look into your eyes. No, just fall in love again. Just one touch and then it happens every time. And then I go, I just fall in love again. And when I do, I can't help myself. I fall in love with you. I can't help myself. I fall in love with you.
I was so happy. Where is the
man.
applause? Oh man. Oh, that was so
Maybe
great.
it's in the comments.
Oh, whoa.
Written by two very special people.
Uh-huh.
Why don't you guys try to record some of these songs and put them on Spotify or something? Well, why do you want us to, Pedro? I see you. But yeah, maybe we can.
Yeah. No, for real. That was something we were thinking of doing. Or, Vitmunguinho.
Oh.
It's been ages since we've done that one.
meine Seele, du mein Herz, du
¿Sabes lo que no me gusta de los
du meine
holandeses?
Sonne, du mein Echemerte. Echemerte.
Anyway, yeah, only time. It's been so long since I've done this.
The mystery is back.
The mystery
Oh,
bag.
my lord.
Who are you, bruv? 18, maybe they're
Or
young.
Bravet.
Bravet.
Brevet.
Bravinska.
Bravinho or Bravinha.
Anyway, that's nice, Pedro. You should give me some more requests for next week.
Yeah, and also your friend.
And that's a
Yeah.
good point. Would y'all listen to us if we put this stuff on Spotify?
I would.
I would as well.
I would.
I mean,
So that's already
that's fine.
I mean, if we
Insta
don't believe in
famous.
ourselves, who will? Dude, I don't have that. It's not in the folder.
Is it not in the folder?
Nee. Geen.
La 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 la.
Not so bad.
Yeah. I will listen to that back. See what happens.
Yeah, that was
What
very.
was that?
That was
kinda
really
cool.
great. So what was it? Hold on. Me and Drow started.
I started on your pitch, but like 2 bars out. 2 beats out.
Yeah, it was very cool.
That's Pokemon or something. No, not Pokemon.
It's not the Viking song.
Is it the new bike song?
The button. How does it go after that? Oh yeah.
Stop abusing the ground. Oh, Pedro says it's going directly to his playlist. If you record stuff. Oh, and
This is also
Mr. Harry says not Brevet. Well, Brevet.
So it's a guy.
So it's a guy.
Or they don't identify as a girl.
Beth asks for the Apple Music.
Apple Music.
Apple Music.
Oh, instead of Spotify.
Ah.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Sorry, Beth.
What's the Apple Music?
Apple. What's the Apple Music?
That's Apple Music.
Is it the music?
No, that's the Pokemon Center.
Oh, okay.
Now all our Pokemon are fully healed again.
That's good. Oh wait.
Man, I'm a bit
Can we-
off. I
can we
don't
do
play
this?
the
Wait,
new
wait,
ones.
wait,
just,
wait.
Just imagine.
You hand your Pokemon to Nurse Joy, and this is what is played. Your Pokemon are healed again. Okay. Instant composing.
You didn't play it like that before.
Okay. Your Pokemon are fully healed. Please come back again.
Spoink. That's Spoink.
Spoink.
What's
That's
the-
from
It's fourth generation,
I
right?
think.
Yeah. Man,
Nerds.
what's the?
Nerds.
No, I'm so upset. I can't think of the. What's the? Oh no!
Oh no.
The music
Oh
when
my
you go
God.
into the.
No. Oh no, this is Super Mario.
When you go into the Poke Center.
That's not how you play Beethoven's Fifth. Says Miss Rare.
I'm having so much fun. I hope you. What?
Are we singing something?
Yeah, we're doing Widmung, but first I really need to think. I'm so upset with myself. Like the little version of me is crying because he can't think of the Poker Center theme. I'm so upset. I wanted to do like a an instantaneous Pokemon medley, and I've forgotten them all.
Pokemon.
Well, that's what you get when you're not nerdy enough.
Ah, right.
Oh, like it could be like Latin, like.
I love Miss Rare's comments. That was some nightmarish Jigglypuff.
I already did it.
I'm a bit outdated because I didn't play like the last 3.
This is the very first one.
Yeah, I mean, I only played the first 2, maybe.
Jigglypuff, Jigglypuff. Okay.
Yeah.
You know it? You know the melody?
Only that bit.
Yeah.
Yeah.
1, 2.
Oh my god.
Oh no, this
Poor
always
kids.
happens.
They're going to have
When
nightmares.
it sounds so good, and then I just like, I can't do it. Okay. Oh, for the Pokemon.
Is that supposed to make it serious?
I can do it, but I can't do it.
1. Oh,
Jesus.
Ah, okay, hold on.
Okay.
Will it be better if you do it lower?
No.
It's still wrong, I think. Completely wrong.
Okay, 1. I can hear you breathing really like.
Jigglypuff, 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 Jigglypuff.
Yeah, I was playing the wrong stuff.
Can you stop this, please?
Parallel augmented fourths.
Everyone's favorite. Anyway.
Oh, Jesus.
Oh, that was so fun. What other Pokemon things are there? Pokemon Center. What's like?
Nerd.
Fan. Enthusiast. I don't know that one. Oh, that's cool.
What's that from? What's the part from?
Diamond and Pearl.
It's just a Pokemon Center.
go?
Yeah, let's go to the vocal center.
Let's
I was ready.
Jesus, completely anticlimax.
Du meine Seele, du mein Herz, du meine Wonne, du mein Schmerz, du meine Welt, in der ich lebe, mein Himmel nur, darein ich schwebe, oh du mein Grab, in das hinab ich ewig meinem Kummer gab. Du bist die Ruhe, du bist der Friede. Du bist vom Himmel mir beschieden. Dass du mich liebst, macht mich mir wert. Dein Blick hat mich vor mir verklärt. Du hebst mich liebend über mich. Mein guter Geist, mein besseres Ich. Du meine Seele, du mein Herz, du meine Wonne, du mein Schmerz, du meine Welt, in der ich lebe, mein Himmel, du, darein ich schwebe, mein guter Geist, mein besseres
You alright?
Yeah, it's just...
Primera vez que te vi, mi amor. I don't know the rest of the
Hold on. This is good.
Oh, jeez. This happening?
But everyone has to do it in a different language. You do it in Dutch,
Okay.
Spanish,
Yeah.
and I'll do it in Portuguese.
Just
Just verse by verse, okay?
you have it written in Dutch?
No,
No. Oh,
you have to.
Jesus. Oh, but wait. Oh.
It's fine. It's just verse by verse, Ron.
Okay, but still.
La primera vez que nos conocimos, mi tesoro, tu cara fue bella como la rosa, pero ahora tu cara bonita se ha vuelto más pálida, pálida como la lili blanca, como la rosa muy blanca. Me encanta la rosa blanca, de todo corazón. Me gusta la rosa blanca creciendo, es la rosa que me acuerda de ti.
Google Translate right now.
Je bent zo eerlijk als de lente.
Oh, mijn schat. Oh, shit.
Mijn schat.
Ah, ja, mijn schat. Beat. Oké.
Benjamin? Wat?
Oh,
Je
I'm
bent
just-
zo...
I'm just
oh,
going
je
to
bent
learn
zelfs de
something.
lengte.
Ah,
Je
oké.
bent zo eerlijk. Als de lente. Oh, mijn schat. Oké, from the beginning. Je bent zo eerlijk als lente, oh mijn schat. Je gezicht straalt zo helder, zo Ja, de mooiest bloemen in mijn tuin. Oh Lily, witte roos, je bent van mij.
Solid.
Ik hou van de wietroos in zijn pracht. Ik hou van de wietroos in zijn bloem. Ik kan zo mooi van wietroos als Het is de roos die met Anjo doet denken.
That's really.
Ja?
Yeah, it works. It works. Años pasé.
Don't show me up.
This is fun.
Agora estou sozinho, meu doce querido. Eu ando pelo jardim e choro, mas a primavera vai voltar com a sua presença. Oh, rosa branca, minha pra guardar. Eu amo a rosa branca em seu esplendor. Eu amo a rosa branca em flor. Eu amo a rosa branca, tão bela enquanto ela cresce. E a rosa que me lembra você.
Or você or the. Now all together the chorus.
Oh, okay. Hi, Yod.
Oh my god, no!
Mabilis lalo pasang rantau mahal ko. Mas holy. What? Mas pinahahalagan kan ka bawat isa sa akin. Ngunit matagal tayong maging malapit na magkasama. O rosas, puting rosas, kumat sa'kin. Mahal ko ang white rose sa kanyang karamihan. Mahal ko ang white rose sa pamulaklak nito. Mahal ko ang white rose na napakatarungan sa kanyang paglaki. Ito ang rosas na nagpapalala sa akin sa iyo.
Oh my god.
Okay, what other languages are there? Indonesian for Charlie. Sekarang aku sendiri sayangku. Saya berjalan melalui taman dan menangis. Tapi musim semi akan kembali dengan kehadiranmu. Oh mawar putih lili milikku untuk disimpan. Saya suka mawar putih dalam kemegahannya. Saya suka mawar putih yang sedang mekar. Saya suka mawar putih begitu adil saat dia tumbuh. Mawar itulah yang mengingatkan saya pada Anda. It's getting better.
Oh yeah. Yeah. What's next? Oh, can we do Latvian for Gita?
Oh, for sure, for sure.
After this
I
one.
was going to say Gita.
现在我一个人亲爱的宝贝，我唱过 Check your WhatsApp， 我唱过花园哭泣。 Shane Huigwe, O Baibe Megwo Wayao, Baulwe. Why may leader by Megwe? Why Shenkaide by Megwe? Why by Megwe? Ta de Chengjan Shurutsi de Gompi. Mega Shu Washing Latvian? What was it for? Oh, we're already over time, boys.
Okay.
Tagadesmu. Do you want to try this one?
Yeah.
Yeah, last verse.
Tagadeshmu viena mana mila mila, Ese jukauri darjamun raudu, Et pavasaris atgriezis iesariushu kladbutni, Ac lilia balta rose manejalai saglabatu. Eshmilu baltrožnu takrašnuma, man patik balta roze tas žiedos. Eshmilu baltrožnu tigodika vinauk, tai roze kasmanat gadina parte. Oh, that's why. I can't read this. I can't read Cyrillic alphabet.
Underneath. Oh yeah, okay. Godinite minava tolkova burzo skupa moja, Всеки те прави подценен за мен, но дълго да растем близо. О, лилия бяла роза, прилепи се ку мен. Обичам бялата роза в нейния блясък. Обичам бялата роза в зраците си. Обичам бялата роза толкова справедлива, колкото расте. Това е розата, която ми напомня за теб.
Let's try it in 7/4 in Bulgarian. Okay.
Обичам бялата роза.
That's fast.
Okay. Обичам бялата роза в невинен блясък. Обичам бялата роза в разцвете си.
Обичам бялата роза толкова справедлива, колкото расте. Това розата, която ми напомня за теб.
Okay.
It's already 7:10.
Okay.
You joining in?
Yeah, for bits.
Hey, that Delilah, what's it like in New York City? I'm 1,000 miles away, but girl, tonight you look so pretty, yes you do. Times Square can't shine as bright as you, I swear it's true. Hey there Delilah, don't you worry about the distance, I'm right there if you get lonely. Give this song another listen, close your eyes. Listen to my voice, it's my disguise, I'm by your side. Oh, it's what you do to me. 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 What you do to me. Hey there, Delilah, I know times are getting hard, but just believe me, girl, someday I'll pay the bills with this guitar, we'll have it good. We'll have the life we dream would, our word is good. Hey there, Delilah, I've got so much left to say. If every simple song I wrote to you would take your breath away, I'd write it all. Even more in love with me you'd fall, we'd have it all. Oh, it's what you do to me. 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 1,000 miles seems pretty far, but they've got planes and trains and cars on on to you. There's no other way. Our friends would all make fun of us, and we'll just laugh along because we know that none of them have felt this way. Delilah, I can promise you that by the time we get through, the world will never ever be the same, and you're to blame.
Hey there, Delilah, you'll be good and don't you miss me. 2 more years and you'll be done with school, and I'll be making history like I do. You'll know it's all because of you. We can do whatever we want to do. Hey there, Delilah, here's to you. This one's for you. It's what you do to me. Oh, it's what you do to me. Oh, it's what you do to me. Oh, it's what you do to me. What you do to me.
That was really fun.
Yeah.
Oh, Lynn was there. Oh, Lynn. Oh, lots of love for you. I hope we sung for my dad today happy birthday. So if you want to do that over your gin and tonic, we can play very quietly to not disturb the people next door.
It's Lynn's birthday.
No, for Poi, so she can sing for dad.
Oh, okay.
In the Hippity peep. Hoorah. Hippity peep. Hoorah. Hippity peep. Hoorah.
So that was for Dad. And Lynn, I hope you enjoyed singing along with us quietly.
Have
Anyway.
a good birthday week, boy.
Yeah, have a lovely birthday week. And happy birthday for the 19th. Which day is that? That's Monday. So, have a good day on Monday. Monday. Oh, Joao had a funny video that he wanted to show the audience of accents in the UK.
So is this guy from Top Gear?
so cute.
One of the 3 new guys. I think he's a cricket player, actually.
Of course.
And he's clearly somewhere close to Scotland.
Scotland.
Check out this accent. I legit love this. It's amazing.
And the insurers have decided they won't pay for the repair. But if you have to with a door-upper, there's some absolute steals out there.
So-
Absolute.
The subtitles say cars that have been in a bit of a scrape and the insurers have decided they won't pay for the repair. But I like, they won't pay for the repair. It's I love these accents.
It's really nice.
Yeah.
Poo.
They won't pay for the repair.
Oh,
The repair.
yeah.
Super duper.
There's some absolute steals
No,
out
wait. I want the repair.
But if you have to with the repair, but if you have to with the repair, if you have to with a door-upper, there's some absolute steals out there.
Yeah. What's happening?
Okay.
Okay. Thank you for watching.
Yeah, no, that was it. Thank you everybody for joining
this
us.
was the final cadence.
It's been really lovely. Oh, there's one very, very, very special thing that I still need to show you guys for like 1 minute.
Oh my god. After 10. Hey, Benj, keep your pants.
After dark.
Keep your pants, please.
Yeah.
Never.
Nah, shall it be so? Nay.
Oh, wait. I have an idea. What's it doing? Oh, the duduk.
Oh, that's cool.
That's very cool.
Can people see me?
That's saucy.
Sure.
Yeah, I think. Yeah. If you sit here, that's okay.
Maybe you get a bit closer to the mic.
This little bad boy.
Good job.
Hello. Hello, public. This little bad boy sent me back 350 euros,
Oh my lord.
which is why I can't pay rent this month.
Oh, your parents
And
must
now-
be so
now my
proud.
parents are
And
watching.
now
your
he will
parents
show
are
us
so
what
proud.
350 euros gets you in music world.
Isn't it so cool? It's legit like the most beautiful thing. And like,
What a lovely duduk is.
thank you, Yod.
Duduk.
Can people see this?
What a lovely duduk.
Yeah, I think so. Probably a bit out of focus. I don't know. Let me just
Hey,
say.
it's more in tune now.
So it's your fault. That's what you're saying.
Yeah.
Yeah, you just need to learn how to play it, I think. This is an Armenian instrument in A flat major. Kind of.
It is not in. Well.
It's in.
It's in A half.
Anyway, isn't it
It's a
lovely?
very
Going by
particular
Western
instrument.
tuning systems.
Let's say that one. Let's say that.
Anyway, I'm having fun, but it's the end of the concert. We should do this next week.
Don't forget to subscribe. Support us on PatchAF and and stay tuned for the next concert. Thank you for watching. Thank you, Elma Kleikamp, for your support on PatchAF. All the others can go there and check. It's still in Dutch, but you can use Google Chrome and it will translate it for you. We also have PayPal.
Yeah. If people want to pay with PayPal, get in touch with us directly.
And yeah, we
it.
got the sign to stop. It's already time to go to bed.
Okay. Good night. Thank you, everybody, for
Good
watching.
night.
Have a lovely week. Yeah, I don't know. Have a lovely week. Stay safe. Don't get corona. Make sure you stay outside within, but don't get corona. Like, go for walks and stay healthy. And otherwise, I mean, there's 19 people watching. Should we talk?
19. Yeah. What the age? What the hecking heck? How nice. There are 19 people.
No, it's good. Wherever Zango States live, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, since
been live. Oh, what's the verb?
What's the what?
Wij zijn.
Zijn.
Yeah. If people have questions, let us know in the comments. 'Cause we can, oh no, my phone died. You dropped the charger?
No, you didn't.
It was right here.
Let me change something. What about now? What about now? What about now? What about now? Ha ha ha. Can you hear us now? Can you hear us now? Can you hear us now? Let us know in the comments. Can you hear us now? Please.
What were they called?
I know there's a Hillary. And it's a boy.
It's a boy, that's all I remember.
Cecil.
And the other one you didn't know, right?
No, but there's more than that, I think. Sorry guys. I changed mics and this is quite a fuss. Oh, Anna and Pedro are still live.
Yeah, it's very cute. Oh, Joao has something to say about that.
Does Isilda know about this? Ahaha. Beep beep beep. Beep boop 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 boop.
It doesn't turn very smoothly.
Because no, don't break it, bro.
Bruv! Oh.
Ah.
Oh, that's very
Ah.
cool. Guys, which was your favorite song that we did today? Oh, you're not alive.
Oh, man, it's like Inception.
Whoa.
3 screens at the same time. Oh my god.
Can you tell a story? Hello, people.
So
Oh, it's me.
once upon a time, so 2 ladies went to the other. Look at that, we had 18 likes. That's very nice. Thank you guys, you were very nice today.
Yeah.
Let's hope we can get this video to 600. No.
Yeah, 600.
1,000.
600, which is what it was.
Yeah, if we could get the same thing, it would be awesome.
That would be awesome. I don't know why that one suddenly like took off.
Because I'm a YouTube genius. YouTuber. Nice. I think you've showed that one already.
Maybe.
Oh, Sarah Rustin liked our ABBA.
Oh, of course. It was so popular last week that I thought we should do it again.
And today I hit the right notes.
White Rose. Lynn, that wasn't the White Rose. I'm sorry you had to hear that. The only reason I did it as a joke in all those languages is because I thought that you were
Wait.
that you weren't there. Oh, thanks the Murray 18. I mean,
I think it's Mr. Rary.
the video we did last week, we got really like over 625 people watching. But what can you do to help us out? You guys know it by now.
Subscribe.
Comment, subscribe, like, share it.
Yeah, because we had like we already have 600 and something likes. No, views on the video. But we still have the same amount of subscribers. What
True.
the hell, people?
Wow.
You watch, but you have to subscribe. That's why now I have a small square on the right bottom
I
corner of the
apologize
video.
for this.
You click there and there's a thing saying subscribe, and you click there to subscribe to our concerts, and then you can get a notification when we're going live. That's very cool. And also like 600 and something views, and our Instagram and our Facebook, it's still the same. What's going on? I mean, are you just joking with us? Maybe I should do this spiel in Spracht in the beginning of the concert. So when people open the concert and see, the first thing they see, it's my face being, hey, first of all, you subscribe and you like and you comment and you like YouTube and you follow Instagram, and then you can watch the movie. That's how we work from now on. Hey, stop writing bad things about me.
I'm not writing anything about you, bro.
I hope not. Oh, and I forgot one thing. Patreon. Donate. Donate to us on Patreon. Do you know what's Patch AF? It's like Patcha. That's like Patreon, but it's Dutch. So It's a different language. Yeah. So, and the good thing about it is that we pay less taxes. I mean, not taxes, but they charge a commission, a fee. So, you know. And then we chose that one because we're helping Benjamin's new nationality
That's true. I'm Dutch now.
for like 3 months now. For like 3 months now. So subscribe, donate, like Facebook, like Instagram, follow Instagram, comment Facebook, comment Instagram, comment YouTube, subscribe YouTube. Is that all? What else?
Sorry, somebody's watching us.
Os Ave Ari. Oh, Ari volgende. Oh, haha. Oh. Erg leuk. Oh, is
Found a couple of nice spiders for you.
Oh, yo, I saw it, man, in the
Oh,
bathroom.
glasses.
Yeah.
It was
Two big
really
ones.
like, oh, I sat down and then that like plough of air must have like jiggled their webs because suddenly they were like, and it was just like, oh, I do not like spiders. Just in case that's Ari von Aria. Oh,
Is
okay.
it our host?
That's how they know us.
What?
That's how they know us.
Ari. Oh, okay, yeah.
They know us through Aria. Oh,
Yeah.
apparently nobody's watching, but I don't think that's true.
No, it's that one. This one is going crazy today for some reason.
Yeah.
Yeah. No, but oh, okay. I was asking if this was our host, Ari, but it's Ari, not Aria.
Yeah.
Thank you, our host, for telling
Yeah,
Ari
that's
to
very
watch
cool.
us. That's very nice. Dit is super leuk. This is leuk.
Oh yeah, what else?
I can't get my leuk straight. It's very.
It's recognizable. Why don't you tell us a story, Ben?
Oh, guys, by the way,
What?
make sure that you guys subscribe to Petra Off, not just because it's better for us knowing how much money we're getting in instead of the donations, but also we put videos on there. So there are some videos.
We already have one. No.
Did you put it on already?
No.
Or to
You
put
didn't give
on?
me the login.
Bruv, rustig. Okay. Yeah, no, so if you guys subscribe there, it's as low as €5 a month. We need to put a new one in for $5 a month.
Why?
Because a friend of mine said that €10 a month was
Okay.
too much for him. I
So
thought,
it's
I
just
don't
for
know.
your friend.
Yeah, it's just for that one friend. The rest of you have to pay $10 a month. You have to pay a tenner a month.
You have to pay a tenner.
Etto. Anyway,
Like a real tenner, not this guy. What? Okay.
girl, careful. Anyway, make sure you guys sign up to Fetch It Off because then you get to watch. Like last week, we walked past.
So
What did we do?
you got a message by Benjamin that says Obi-chan. Like, yeah.
Oh, we
Call me that again.
So
Sorry.
yes, you get funny videos.
Mother with that mouth.
You get funny videos of us as well with loads of behind the scenes stuff. So it's not just this and the other stuff that we're putting on Facebook and YouTube, but also like random stuff of like last week when we ended
No.
up
You
doing
want
something
it, you
fun.
pay for it. That's the way it goes here.
Well, help me. Then it's exactly what you're doing from that. Yeah. Okay. Good. Changes. No, this is not very good.
Let me show people our new mic. Look at this thing. Look at the size of it. You know it.
It's not so big.
Well, here comes the slides. I mean, we were all thinking.
Size doesn't matter, Chris. It's what you do with it. That's what everyone told me. Oh, okay. Oh, now I see it.
I see.
Okay. Okay. I was not aware of that. We are almost independent. The only thing I asked for Andrea today was this thing. The cheapest thing. We're missing the cheapest thing in our equipment.
And that's only because we can't
a
find it
jack
in Den
cable.
Haag. Or anywhere in the Netherlands, right?
No.
Is it on
We
Tolman?
could if we tried harder.
Okay, I like that you say we. This is your job. But is it on Tolman?
Of course it's in Toman, bro.
What?
Man, you buy this thing from Toman and you think they don't have a jack cable. They have like thousands of them.
I don't know. I thought they've been sold out of weird snizzles recently.
Yeah, man, that's not like masks during the quarantine. It's
Or
something
toilet
that you-
paper. You know, I bought
Or toilet paper.
again. I bought a new 16 pack just to be sure.
So you're
And then
one
you
of
bought
those
5
guys.
of them.
You're
I
one
just
of
bought
those
5
guys.
16 packs just to
be
make sure.
You know, toilet paper will be worth its weight in gold
Again.
when the Rona hits again.
Yeah, again.
And the Rona. They're gayer, but they're better.
Yeah.
No, what is it? They're
They're more expensive, but they're gayer.
Oh, they're gayer. Oh, yeah. Gay wives. All foreign gay wives.
Right.
I got a pocket full of Hawthorns, a pocket full of Hawthorns. We should do that one, but then in Renaissance church music style.
Alright.
As everything else.
As everything else, I'm legit for next week going to do a Pokemon medley with quite a lot of
Hey,
Medieval cadences.
tell me that.
medieval
Tell me
cadences.
that in the eyes.
Tell you what?
Tell me
in the
that
eyes.
while looking me in the eyes.
Never.
Show me, young man.
Let's show a bit of weeds working.
Okay, the Marie 18 also lives in South Holland. And it's a dude. It's a dude. Well, they identify as a guy. They live in South Holland.
Is that being too specific, Mr. Harry? I don't want
No,
to
he
be
doesn't want
too
to be.
specific.
Like, he doesn't want to say Den Haag or Rotterdam.
Yeah.
But I really have no idea who it is. Do we know each other in real life? The Marie
my
18?
Ah, okay. Yeah,
That's
now
a
we're
good
going
question,
somewhere.
right? Have we actually ever met and spoken and had a conversation?
No, maybe he's just a stalker.
Yeah. And we're the ones that shouldn't be
Follow
being
you.
too specific.
Follows you everywhere.
And
I
you
see
never noticed it.
you
That's a good
everywhere.
job.
Oh, we should do that one next week. Christopher. Hold on, I need to write it down.
Christopher.
Christopher,
And with Nature Boy as well.
Yeah, that was what you wanted to, right?
Yeah.
Look at the size of this box. Look at this.
Nice box.
It's called SM7B.
Nice.
Legendary vocal microphone. Legendary. This is
I
something
think
else.
it was mentioned in the Iliad, right?
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
Like
Yeah.
Homerian.
Yeah.
microphones.
What was the name of the other guy? From the Trojan Horse?
From the what?
The Trojan Horse. What's his name?
Odyssey? Odysseus?
Yeah. Is it him? Odysseus?
I mean, yeah, he was there, according to the story.
Whatever.
Whatever he says.
Together. Something like this. No, it's not the thing. What's still going on here? How do we still have 11 people watching?
Maybe we're getting better at themes.
Maybe.
It's becoming more interesting.
Did you hear that?
That needed to happen.
I really did need to have a moment. Oh, it's like when I go to a dance party that I haven't done a torture in Korea. And
Funny thing.
when someone like makes you do like a head roll, when they're like obviously just like, and like the first time someone leads you into it in the evening, and then you just hear everyone's back going.
That's
Donald Duck.
no, yeah, Donald Duck.
No.
No,
No.
yeah, no.
How dare
Clearly,
you.
of course not. Yeah, yes, it is.
Clearly, of course not.
Clearly, of course not. What do
Of
you
course
guys
not, yes.
think of our mascot here, whose name is also Ben?
That's coincidental.
Yeah, funny. He had that name when I adopted him.
Oh.
I got him from the shop, and they said his name is Ben.
His name is Ben. His name is Ben. He's now your son.
They did.
Would have been cute.
Subtext was there, I'm sure. Als fan. Dus schreef de Mystery jou als fan of jij hem als fan? Misschien is het wel Woodstick.
Ah, Le Vion Rose. Ja,
Wat zei je?
Yo, man. Ik zou zo opgemaakt zijn. I'd be made up. Ja, dat is een Engelse uitdrukking dat ik van mijn zus heb geleerd deze week. This was a... Le Vion Rose. Which one is that? Ah, yeah. It's on like every advert ever.
Yeah, that's a nice.
That's a
song.
cute one to do. We can do that.
I mean, who asks for it again?
Ja.
Again.
Hey,
Oh man, we
Anna.
nós sabemos tudo.
Eh?
Vou dizer à minha madrinha.
We understand.
Vou dizer à minha madrinha.
What does that mean?
I will tell my godmother.
Guys, we just reached 100 reproductions. Yeah. But Joao is... Oh, what?
Yes. Thank. That's the one.
Joao is really... Joao's enjoying the reproduction comments.
Yes, these views are reproducing itself.
Wait, how have we never met each other? Wie is dit?
Reproductions. That's a good number, I think. I was saying, I will tell my godmother that is Pedro's mom. That's why.
Your godmother is Pedro's mom?
Yeah.
Ah.
She's and also my aunt, my dad's sister. One of the sisters.
Okay.
One of my dad's sisters. The other one is Marta, the one who gave shelter to Benjamin. Yes.
Ik ga gewoon terug in mijn ding om te zien wie het is.
Thank. Yes, thank.
Shall we go off?
I mean, there's still 11 people watching.
Poor them.
Well, I mean, they could click away if they want to, if it's too
Yeah.
boring for them.
Yeah, of course.
For them.
Sorry.
Sorry, effort. Hey Benjamin, mag jij een aantekening? Make you a note that we have to do La Vie en Rose?
Yeah.
La vie en rose. Anna Silva. Well, I will ask Isilda and Vitor what they know about Anna Silva.
Those are your godparents.
Yeah, that's
Madrina.
that's my godmother's
Oh, just friends.
husband.
Yeah, I'm sure.
I'm sure of it. Just friends with the two.
Yo, I don't think I have anybody in my list who I don't know who lives in the Netherlands. Unless it is...
The only person who is.
Yeah, but I can't imagine that.
Oh my god.
Love the Haroni stuff.
The Haroni.
That's what you said. I love the Haroni stuff.
Oh, I meant to say Harmony. Eto. My... Hi, Yod. Hope yo.
What a lovely duduk is.
What a lovely duduk is.
Duduk.
Bard. My family. Oh, man, my back.
God.
I was speaking to Yod today and I was like, how do you say like because he said OMG and I was like, how do you say that in Tagalog? And he was like, OMG. So, okay.
What disappointment.
I like that they were Japanese. No.
No. No, just a friend.
No, just a friendo.
American is very stupid.
Pedro is just my friend.
Vince is very good at accents.
Anna, I like her.
Oh.
I like her, but only as a friend. As friend.
With the tail.
Yeah.
There's like one guy. That's maybe this dude.
Well, we got him.
Send
But
him
is
a
it-
message.
is
I
he
think
a
it's
musician?
him. Yeah, but I'm worried. No, he's not a musician. Oh wait, no, because they knew piano and vocal. Who is this? Whoever the Marie is, can you send me a message on Insta, Facebook, Gram?
And at the same time follow it.
Yeah, and give
Not
us
the
a
private
like and
one.
follow this account.
Yeah. But also the business one. Not just the private.
Yeah, I mean unless it's on the business one. He said als fan.
Yo.
Yo.
Yo! What is that?
No, that's what Pedro just said.
Oh.
He said yo. I don't know why he said me in Spanish.
Yo.
Yo. Yoga. Yo siempre hago yoga. Yo hice yoga con Joao. Con Joao. What's up, Pedro? Why are you yowing?
Yo, win. Yo! Yo, yo, yo! Hey, Benjamin, you lost a bit of your eyebrow.
Rude.
Road! Road.
I was like, oh, we have a new comment. Oh wait,
Wallop.
it's me.
Wallop. No, it's me.
It was me.
Soy yo.
Mario.
Meow, 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 meow.
This first.
I want my anonymity on YouTube. Yeah, that's fine. Just send me a message on Instagram, and I won't spill the beans. Nobody had an idea of who Poi was until today, and that's because somebody else mentioned it.
Yeah. So, Johnny B just messed that secret for us.
Hey, Pedro sent you a message. Just killing. This is not me, just saying. Who can say when? Meow, 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 meow. Oh, romance. Joao could sing like some classical romantic
Oh, yeah.
songs.
Which one?
Portuguese? What's like a really romantic Portuguese song?
An old Ruby. Oh no, but then it's sad. I don't know, it's a very romantic one, but it's very sad. Because he says he pawned his ruby ring to take her to a concert. But then she didn't like the same song as he did. And then he says that you don't love someone who doesn't listen to the same song.
So that's very important. So, Anna and Pedro should both like that
Oh,
song.
don't.
Don't.
Oh man, this is going so well. I think we just lost two of our main writers from
Ligado a bateria.
I like when people write in all caps.
Don't.
And with
Don't
no
you even-
punctuation.
Don't you even.
Don't.
Yeah, I saw it yesterday.
Gross.
And it's one of those gay things. Again. Jesus.
Wow.
Impressive, right?
Yeah.
She
Really
is skilled.
impressive.
It was at the I was with a few friends and I was with three of them. You're losing subscribers, says Pedro.
Yeah, that's what I said. We're just losing our best writers from the day.
No, please don't. I really hate having to guess.
I also have a new power extension.
Nice.
Money, money, money. Must be funny.
Oh yeah. When
in
you have
Jorginho's world.
When you have it. The money.
So we need to make like 4,000 a month off of you guys, so we
At
can
least.
actually move into. So we can actually move into a flat. Because we had such a problem. Dude, we need to get together this week and record finally. It's going to be so much easier when we live together.
I've been telling you for 3 months that I'm going to Portugal on Sunday.
Yeah, I know, but that wasn't. Anyway.
We need to
Wait,
get
can you do
together
it
this week.
tomorrow?
No, I'm working. I
What
told
about
you.
afterwards, bruv? Just like 10 minutes.
But what we want to record?
Just random
Oh, okay.
for a new playlist.
Okay.
Yeah, no, not the proper stuff. The proper stuff like the meditation
okay.
and the other stuff that's. We do that after Portugal.
After Portugal.
Jorginho is mending to Portugal.
Yeah. Taking the corona.
Oh, we need to ask
across borders.
Andrezinho
Uh,
tonight.
I'm meeting him tomorrow to give him this.
Ah, okay. Oh, we're not seeing him tonight.
Not tomorrow.
Ah, okay.
No.
A flat sounds less appealing to me. I don't get it.
Because you were saying we would get a flat.
Okay, but I mean not just that, but I mean we were trying to move into a place and we had like 6,000 euros a month that they wanted us to get for a flat that was 1,000 euros a month. It was ridiculous. So we were at like. Anyway.
Netherlands.
Maar gast, vertel even wie je bent. Of, nou ja, zeg maar, je hoeft het niet te zeggen. Maar je kan maar gewoon even een appje sturen.
Well, I think I'm turning it off.
Okay. Well, there's still 11 people
Still have
watching.
12.
Let's just keep it on while we go home.
What's wrong with you guys?
No, it's awesome. Thank you guys for watching. This helps, and I've enjoyed.
Pedro wants money, money, money next week.
No, I think that was just what, because I was saying about money, money, money.
Oh,
We want money every week, so
Exactly.
every day, just to be more precise.
Oh yeah, you know what? Okay, the Marie, you don't have to tell me, you don't have to write to me on Instagram, but you have to sign up to Patch Off and donate.
No, that's not just for Mr.
No, but that's everybody, but especially him. Her? Him. It was a guy, right?
It's
It's a
not
guy who
Burbet.
I know
I guess it's
off of Instagram who's really good at piano and singing, who has knowledge of that repertoire. Yo, how old are you? What's your age range, the Mary? Oh, Mr. Airy. Bro,
that's all I've been saying.
you guys keep saying mystery, and I'm like, yeah, but it's
Mr.
Mary.
Airy, Mr.
Mary.
Airy.
It's Mr. full
Mr.
stop
Airy.
Airy.
The Mr. Airy.
Oh, I get it now.
Oh my god.
I'm going home now.
What age range are you, Mr. Airy?
Yeah. I just found out. And you can see me react like. Bro. Oh, the mystery. The Mr. Airy.
Oh, it's Leviosa.
Yeah. Shall I else even moving?
Shishi.
100 reproductions.
108 reproductions.
Look at us.
So good.
Sherry wine. Oh, is
we
the
are
thing still
reproducing
open? Could you
the
write the feeling down? Show some love.
Our video is reproducing a lot.
Well, it learned from the best.
Yeah, I guess so. The feeling.
The feeling, show some love. En zou je mij die glasje geven, alstublieft? My name is Jorginho.
I am a Gino.
Jorginho.
Gino.
I am a Gino. I am a Gino. Your sister just subbed.
What?
Your sister just subbed.
Angela.
Angela Silva.
That's nice.
actually
That's your sister.
my sister.
That's your sister as well.
Yeah,
Yeah.
my sister.
She's called Angela.
Just in case
She's-
you
she's
didn't
my
like
sister.
no.
Cherry wine.
Sherry
Cherry
Yeah, I
vino.
don't
Wine.
really understand.
Should we bring this mother down?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that's cool. Thank you. Who was it?
My sister.
Thank
12
you.
euros a month.
Thank you, Bethany.
She's so cute.
We have-
She
we have
during.
to write their names in the video.
Ah, yeah, very good point.
I'll edit it right now. We had another donation from Bejer, whatever. Where do you want it, Bench? Right in the
I'll
end?
do
or-
it, later.
Hier is echt super chill.
Yeah? Okay. Stop, 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 stop it, stop. Okay, thank you for bearing with us. Tot volgende week. Zeg tot volgende week.
Tot volgende week. Dank jullie wel. The Mystery, laat me weten wie je bent. Anders vind ik je en Drow gaat. Oh, dit voelt echt super lekker.
Touch you.
Just wait. Let me just clarify something because.
Half meter.
Yeah. Sure. What? But just because you guys were making good songs,
Oh,
I just wanted to show people that it was nothing wrong.
Well, there is nothing wrong, but
There
that
is
doesn't
nothing.
mean that we have to do it again.
Okay.
see you next week.
Where?
Terminar stream.
Sit up.
Not yet. Parar. Alright, it's off.
37